viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 2 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is parts of a sentence, right? So what are the parts of a sentence? Let us read this, right? कि sentence के क्या क्या parts होते हैं, कैसे वो sentence में हम recognize कर सकते हैं और उनका work actually क्या होता है. So let us begin with the chapter and know more about it. So, a sentence can be divided into two main parts. एक sentence जो है वो हमेशा दो main parts में divide किया जा सकता है. And they are subject, predicate, right? वो दो main चीजें कौन कौन सी हैं? They are the subjects and the predicates, right? So here we have the subject and the predicate described in detail. So the part which refers to the person or thing about whom we say something is called the subject of a sentence. So ऐसा part जो कि refer करता है person या फिर thing को about whom we say, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हो, right? उसे हम sentence का subject कह सकते हैं. After that, we have the predicate. So the part in which we say something about the subject is called the predicate. तो predicate में ऐसा part जो कि जिसमें हम subject के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ बोल रहे हो, उसे हम predicate के नाम से जानते हैं. Next, we have some examples. Let us read them. So they say sentence. Ritu has a doll. First of all, जो हमारा sentence है वो है Ritu has a doll. वहाँ पर Ritu जो है वो है subject और predicate है has a beautiful doll. Right? Next, again we have the sentence Riya and Sia are friends. So subject है Riya and Sia, and the predicate is are friends. Right? Next, again we have the sentence the teacher is teaching in the class, and the subject is the teacher. The predicate is teaching in the class. Sentence again we have the players are playing in the ground. Subject is the players and the predicate is are playing in the playground. Right? Moving ahead, we have a point to remember. Let us read this. So the subject of a sentence often comes first, but occasionally it is placed after the predicate. ये subject जो है sentence का वो हमेशा predicate के बाद में ही आता है, right? So let's see. Here we have the subject and the predicate given. So they say Seema is a teacher. The boy is drinking water. Coconut is a tall tree. The pen is costly. Cow gives us milk. The dog barks. Right? So, ये था हमारा chapter जिसमें हमने discuss किया about the parts of the sentence. So, that was all about this. I hope you all are clear with the subject as well as the predicate of the sentence. So, that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed it and gathered some information. So, thank you so much and have a great day ahead.